A reel might go viral for a week, then what? You're back to square one. Is it really worth your time? Did you know that over 80% of social media users rely on platforms for product discovery, but only a small percentage of the posts actually lead to actual sales? Okay, so here's the thing: not all platforms are created equal when it comes to driving real results to your business. Today, we're breaking down Pinterest versus Instagram, right? And these are two of the biggest players in the commerce space to see which one is truly the best for selling your digital products. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Hi, guys, I'm Rockell and I'm back. And I help busy parents using AI tools to start and grow their digital product hustles with less stress and more results. So if you're ready to turn your ideas into income, you're in the right place, guys. So if you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond and looking to grow your online business, you've probably wrestled with the decision: should you focus on Pinterest or Instagram? So they're both visual platforms, but the way they work and the results they deliver are completely different. I'll tell you more. So I've been there, guys. I've spent hours creating reels and posts, right? Trying to follow trends and wondering, where are my sales? So the truth is, choosing the right platform can save you time, energy, and frustration. So let's break it down. Together and find out which platform is worth your time. So as business owners, especially those of us with busy lives, we don't have time to waste chasing the algorithm that don't deliver. And it's not just about visibility, it's about connecting with the right audience, right? The ones who are ready to buy your products. Okay, so Instagram might seem like the obvious choice because everyone is on it, but is it really effective for selling your digital products? On the other hand, Pinterest often flies underneath the radar, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to long-term results. So which one should you choose? Let's get into the nitty-gritty, guys. So first, let's talk about what makes Pinterest unique. Pinterest is not a social media platform. It's a search engine just like Google or YouTube. So people don't come here to scroll mindlessly. They come with a purpose, right? So whether they're searching for a business planner, meal prep ideas, or a creative side hustle, they're actively looking for solutions, right? So that means when they find your content, they're already in the mindset to take action, okay? Also, one of my favorite things about Pinterest is how long the content stays relevant. Yes, so a single pin can drive traffic for months, even years, without lifting a finger. Compare that to Instagram, where post or story or post or reel might last a day or two before it's buried under the algorithm. So for busy parents or anyone juggling multiple responsibilities, Pinterest is a game changer. And another thing, Pinterest audience is a goldmine for digital product sellers. It's made up of people who are typically in their 30s and 40s with disposable income, and they're looking to invest in things that make their lives easier or more enjoyable. So this aligns perfectly with the kinds of digital product you're likely selling, like planners, templates, or courses. Okay, so next we have the buying intent. So here's a jaw-dropping statistics. 80% of Pinterest users say they've purchased something they discovered on the platform. So let that sink in a bit, guys. These are people who are actively searching, finding, and buying, not just liking or commenting on your posts, okay? Okay, so now let us talk about Instagram. It's no secret that Instagram is all about engagement, likes, comments, shares, and follows. But here's the catch. Instagram doesn't always equal sales. It's easy to get caught up in creating trendy content, but if it's not converting, is it really worth your time? time. So another challenge with Instagram is the lifespan of your content. So a post might get attention for a day or two, and a reel might go viral for a week. But then what? You're back to square one, constantly creating new content to stay relevant. It's exhausting, guys. I've been there, right? So Instagram does have a larger user base, but it basically has a much younger audience, okay? So if your target audience is 30 plus and ready to invest in your products, you might find Instagram to be a hit or miss. I know, I've been there. And let's not forget the ever-changing algorithm. One day it's pushing reels, the next it's prioritizing carousels, and who knows what next, okay? It can feel like you're constantly chasing your tail, trying to stay ahead of the trends. Okay, guys. So guys, here's my personal experience with Pinterest wins for digital product. Now, let me share my own results. I'll be honest, I gave Instagram a fair shot. I spent hours creating reels, jumping on trends, and trying to keep up with the algorithm. But the results, extremely poor. Extremely poor. I didn't see the sales I was hoping for, and it felt like a lot of effort for very little return. Meanwhile, with Pinterest, I saw my first sale in just a few days. I had over 5,000 page visits and over 1,500 impressions from Pinterest. So for those of you new to Pinterest, impressions mean your pins are being seen and saved by others, okay? So this builds momentum that can lead to more traffic and sales over time. And the best part, the momentum doesn't disappear overnight, okay? So Pinterest is slower to start, but it's like planting seeds. Once they grow, they keep delivering results, all right? Which is good. So even when you're not actively posting every day, for someone like me with a busy schedule, that's priceless. And I would also like to add that even though you're not getting sale with your digital products, you can also get views on your website, which will result in money from ads, okay? So which is like a double whammy, right? I look at Pinterest as a double or triple whammy because there are different ways in which you can make money, not by just selling your digital products, okay? So I just wanted to get that out of the way. So guys, what's been your experience? Have you had better luck with Instagram or better luck with Pinterest? I'd love to hear your story. I want us to, let's keep the conversation going. So, let me know below. And if you're ready to take your Pinterest game to the next level, be sure to check out this video next, right? It's packed with actionable tips to save you time and will help you get results. And don't forget to grab my free digital product starter kit to get your business rolling. Okay, guys? So guys, I would like to let you know which platform I prefer. So Pinterest is my platform of choice. At the end of the day, my focus is on Pinterest. It's reliable, it's evergreen, and search based, just like YouTube. So if you're over 40 and looking for a platform that works as hard as you do, Pinterest is the way to go. So until next time, keep building your digital dreams one pin at a time. Bye.